Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to unblock someone on Mico. So let's get started. First, launch open your Mico application. Make sure you are logging to your Mico account. Now, tap on the Me option which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Select Privacy option and then tap on Blacklist option. To unblock someone on Mico, tap on the minus icon with circle on it. If you are sure, tap on the Confirm button. And this is how you can unblock someone on Mico. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.